Hello, aspiring writers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Microsoft Word document before you get writing. Having this set up beforehand is easier than going back to do it at the end. Sometimes changing the formatting on a couple hundred pages can screw up the consistency of the document, and you don't want to have to go through those hundreds of pages looking for issues. Keep in mind that some publishing companies have slightly different requirements, so always be sure to check their websites and have the manuscript match what they're asking for. If you really want to make a good impression, follow their guidelines, but I'm going to show you the standard guidelines. First off, we'll start with switching to the no spacing style. Remember, this is for Microsoft Word documents, so if you're using another writing program, make sure the same idea is set up, as in no extra spacing before or after paragraphs. Next is applying double spacing. That can be found in the paragraph section of the ribbon above, here with the arrows going up and down. Change it to 2.0. Double check that there's no extra spacing before or after paragraphs. Next is margins. All four margins, top, bottom, left, and right, need to be 3 centimeters or 1.18 inches away. To adjust this, go to the Page Layout tab in the ribbon. Select the Margins button and click on Custom Margins. Change the margins to all be 1.18 inches, then click OK. The margins will now be applied, and if you look, you'll find that you now have a custom margin in your list. Now, not all Word documents have Times New Roman as the default font anymore. You can change this in your settings, but if you don't have Times New Roman 12-point font, you'll want to change that now before typing anything. This can be done on the Home tab of the ribbon. Also, check that left align is on and not justified. You'll want there to be uneven edges on the right. This helps avoid awkward spacing between words and paragraphs. Okay, let's get some words on the title page. In the center of the page will be your book's title, followed by the word by underneath, then your name underneath that. Below your name will be the word count. Word count will be left blank until you're done writing and revising, as the number of words in the manuscript will change. Use the center align option in the paragraph section of the ribbon. Never try centering using spaces and tabs. Always use center align. The title of your work should start on the 7th line down, or hit enter 6 times. Put your name and contact information in the lower right corner. Include address, email, phone, and website if you have one. This is so the publishers can get back to you if they accept your work or can send it back if they don't take it. Last of all is the header. You won't want this on your first page, but you'll want a header on all the other pages. I'll show you how to do this. First step is to open the header box. Do that by double-clicking in the header area, the white space at the top of the page. Make sure it's the top of the page. We don't want to add things to the footer. This next part is really important. Do not add a page number by typing it. Instead, click on the Page Numbers button in the ribbon. A new tab for the headers will appear when you open a header box. Hover over top of page, then select plain number 3 so the page numbering will be automatic on the right side. Check that it's in Times New Roman 12-point font. If it's not, change it now. But wait, we can't have a page number on the title page. There should be a checkbox in the ribbon that says Different First Page. Check it, then the page number should go away. The page numbers should start when the story starts, and should start at 1. Go to the page number button again, but this time click on Format Page Numbers. At the bottom of the dialog box, click Start At, and enter 0, so the title page is 0, but the next page, where the numbers will actually appear, will start at 1. Now add in your name and title on the header. You'll have to scroll down to the second page because the first page, the title page, will be different than the rest. You'll put your last name, a space, a /, another space, a keyword or two from the title, a space, slash, and space, and the page number will already be there. This header will show up on all of the following pages. And there you have it. You're ready to start writing on page 1.